When logging into your account, you are greeted with the dashboard, and this is the area where all your projects, known as websites, will populate together with pop-ups, external pop-ups, and stories. A quick look then at what you can expect here. Here is where your projects will populate. You create a new project, and then you select from the three options, whether it's a landing page, /website, pop-ups and alerts, or stories. Simply click on create, and the new website project will be created and dropped in and numbered. You can change it out here. As new ones are created, they will be populated here, and you can filter it here by websites, pop-ups, stories, or on the right with the filter option, whether it's the most recent, alphabetical, or date created. At the top is a workspace area. That's like a folder section for your projects to be grouped, whether it's for clients or for your own management. Coinciding with this is the team members option. Next to that is the profile, where you can contact support, dashboard overview, and your option to sign out.